My name is Asel Yeszhanova. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm an architect. Meta approached me saying that there is an open call, so I thought that would be just a beautiful opportunity for me. The process doesn't start with the working on the workshops at the labs. The process starts from understanding the concept and understanding the context. Working with plywood, with timber and with metal, a low 35 centimeter round table. So lots of things we started, but lots of things to do. Great equipment, never seen something like that. So I actually keep sending the pictures and videos to my peers in Kazakhstan. It would be great to embrace our connection with nature, mainly with the rivers, because they're still moving. I want to celebrate that movement. The yurt could encourage people to gather all together. The name of my yurt is going to be Arrival. I'm very happy that there are so many inspired people at ROK. Together we're looking at the details, how we can solve some technical questions, and easy to assemble and disassemble, because the yurt is going to be nomadic here.